understanding your customers as challenging as finding a nail in a box of screws? I hate that. You collect a lot of data, but how much of it is actually going to help you attract and retain customers? We're all in business to create value. Who doesn't want more delighted customers without it costing a bundle to acquire and retain them? With all your customer information in one place, it's much easier to see things like customer acquisition cost, net dollar retention, and the overall customer life cycle. You don't want to be stuck in the past only looking at lagging indicators. The true value of a customer data platform is the ability to see leading indicators, analyze that information, and create models to improve that overall customer experience. Plus, you get insight into the entire customer journey from sources like browser history, social media, and customer interactions. Check out the next video to help you decide which approach is best for you. Will you pick a centralized or a federated approach